Hi, my name is Phoenix Watkins, and my science fair project is which fruit will rot the fastest. Next slide. My purpose is to be determined which fruit will rot the fastest out of banana, kiwi, orange, apple, or clementine. Next slide. My hypothesis is if I leave orange, banana, apples, kiwis, or clementine out at room temperature for 14 days, I think banana will be the one to rot the fastest. Next slide. Procedures. Gather all the materials you will need for this project. These include bananas, kiwis, apples, oranges, clementine, a bowl for each fruit, and a camera. Place each type of fruit in a separate bowl so they will not be handled or eaten. Keep them at room temperature. Copy and reproduce the daily observations. You're making enough copies so that you can record your daily observations. Make sure to make a copy of your summary. Take photos of the before, during, and after stages of your experiment. Observe each fruit on a daily basis for 14 days, which is 2 weeks, recording any changes in appearance of any odor, any browning of the skin, any moisture, or any dehydration. Number 6. Note if you were able to detect any presence of ethylene gas. If so, how did you record this? Review all your data. Write your final report and remember to add pictures. Next slide. Here is my materials. As you can see, give me a second to read. Next slide. My independent variables are bananas, oranges, apples, kiwi, and clementine. My dependent variables are browning, odor gas, moisture, and dehydration. Next slide. As you can see, my data chart shows that banana won all of the categories out of browning, gas, odor, moisture, and dehydration. Kiwi, you couldn't really tell if it was browning because kiwis are brown. Apples, the skin on the outside protected the inside, but if you eat into an apple, the skin would be out and the inside would be out, so the skin wouldn't protect it, and the air would make it brown. Oranges, the skin was thick, so that one didn't really brown either. And clementine, it was already pretty much rotted when we found it. Next slide. Results. The results showed that the banana turned brown before any of the other fruits. The results also showed that the banana had the strongest odor. Of course it would because it was brown and moldy. The fruit that had the worst moisture was banana because when I felt it, it was mushy and flexible, as you can see right here. Last but not least, dehydration. Banana had the worst dehydration because water started becoming the bowl. If you can see a little right there. Next slide. In conclusion, the banana was the fastest fruit to rot. This proves my hypothesis right, that the banana will be the first to rot. A banana has a higher amount of ethylene, which is a gas that makes it brown faster, thus to rot faster. Thank you for listening to my presentation.